Hello everyone and welcome back. So what we have discussed last time in our last video? Yes, tug of war. In short, in this chapter we are going to discuss different scenarios at our home, okay? In different stories. यानी कि कभी कभी रिमोट के लिए फाइट होती है, कभी कभी कुछ डिफरेंसेस होता है, राइट? देन यस, अलग अलग स्टोरी हम यहाँ पे पढ़ने वाले हैं जो हमारे आजू बाजू में और हमारे घर में हम एक्सपीरियंस करते हैं. सो नाउ टुडे स्टोरी इज़ व्हाट व्हाई द डिफरेंस, यानी कि भेदभाव क्यों. It is 7 o'clock in the evening. Pratibha is hurrying home for her friend's house. सॉरी, फ्रॉम हर फ्रेंड्स हाउस. यानी कि शाम के 7 बजे थे और प्रतिभा नाम की गर्ल अपने घर जाने के लिए जल्दी कर रही थी. वो अभी कहाँ पे थी? शी वॉज एट हर फ्रेंड्स हाउस एंड नाउ इट वॉज 7 o'clock. डैट मीन्स शी हैज़ टू गो टू हर ओन हाउस. उसको अभी अपने खुद के घर में जाना होगा क्योंकि शाम के 7 बज गए थे और उसको बोला गया था कि 7 बजे से पहले आपको घर वापस आ जाना है. यानी कि आपके भी घर में ऐसे रूल्स होंगे स्पेशली फॉर गर्ल्स. यस और नो, आपने एक्सपीरियंस किया होगा दैट योर पेरेंट्स आर टेलिंग दैट यू हैव टू कम टू होम बिफोर दिस टाइम. एंड इफ़ यू हैव एनी ब्रदर एल्डर और यंगर, उसको ऐसा कोई रूल्स होता नहीं है. वो तो कभी भी कितने लेट भी खेल सकता है. पर हमारे गर्ल्स के लिए ऐसे रूल्स बने हैं कि आपको शाम ढलने से पहले वापस आ जाना है. बॉयज़ के लिए ऐसे रूल्स बने नहीं है. तो ये सब चीज़ें प्रतिभा को अच्छी नहीं लगी और हम सब वो ये डिस्कस करने वाले हैं ये स्टोरी में, राइट? सो अगेन आई एम स्टार्टिंग क्योंकि शाम के 7 बज गए थे एंड नाउ प्रतिभा वॉज हरी टू गो टू वेयर. Yes, to go to, yes, exactly, to go to her home. वो अपने घर जाने के लिए जल्दी में थी, राइट? क्योंकि इसको बोला गया था कि आपको शाम को जल्दी आना है. It is 7 o'clock in the evening. Pratibha is hurrying home from her friend's house. Her brothers Sandeep and Sanjay are busy playing round the corner with their friends. यानी कि for Pratibha, she has to come to home before 7 o'clock. But for her brothers, there is no time limit. So there, Sandeep and Sanjay both were continue playing. दे आर नॉट इन हरी टू गो होम. उनको जल्दी जाने की, घर जल्दी जाने की कोई जल्दी नहीं थी. इवन इफ़ दे आर लेट नो बडी विल स्कोल्ड देम. अगर वो लेट हो जाएंगे तो उनको कोई डांटेगा भी नहीं. पर इफ़ प्रतिभा गेट्स लेट पेरेंट्स विल स्कोल्ड हर. बट इफ़ संजय एंड संदीप गेट्स लेट नो बडी इज़ गोइंग टू स्कोल्ड देम. Pratibha thinks that this is not fair. Why should there be one rule for her and another for her brothers? But what can she do? यानी प्रतिभा को ऐसा बिल्कुल अच्छा नहीं लगा. What she was thinking? Why there is rule for her and why there is another rule for her brothers. यानी कि उसके लिए रूल क्या था कि आपको 7 बजे से पहले घर वापस आ जाना है, पर उसके भाइयों के लिए ऐसा कोई रूल नहीं था, right? So what she was thinking, why she was very sad, that for her there was a rule. What was the rule? That she has to come back to home before 7 o'clock or till 7 o'clock, and she cannot go late for playing. She cannot stay for late time at her friend's house. But for her brothers there was no rules. There were no such rules that they have to come back early before 7 o'clock. They have to play till 7 o'clock. ऐसा कोई भी रूल नहीं था. So what Pratibha was thinking, that is not fair. For me there is rule is there, and for my brothers there is no rules. Let us talk. Does this kind of things happens in your house or in any of your friends' house? What do you think about this? या आपके घर में ऐसा होता है या आपके फ्रेंड्स के घर में ऐसा होता है? What do you think about it? Yes, this kind of things normally happens in all the houses of our India, right? Where girls are not equally treated as compared to the boys. जो बॉयज़ के लिए रूल्स होते हैं वो गर्ल्स के लिए नहीं होते, और जो गर्ल्स के लिए होते हैं वो बॉयज़ के लिए होते हैं. इन शॉर्ट, अगर हम रूल्स की बात करें, देर आर नो सच स्ट्रिक्ट रूल्स और रिस्ट्रिक्शंस फॉर बॉयज़, but there are some strict rules and restrictions for girls, that they are not allowed many things to do, right? For example, they are not allowed to wear special kind of clothes, dresses. They are sometimes they are not allowed to go to school also. Sometimes they are not allowed to go to play. Now, how girls are treated? That girls are only here to help her mother, and in future they will get married, and there they have to help their in-laws and her husband. So here in our India, girls and boys are not equally treated, but now the time is changing. Now girls are in hand to hand with boys, and now very soon girls will go ahead of the boys in all the field if girls are treated equally. So that is not fair. Like, if rules are there for the girls, the same rules should be there for the boys also. Means boys and girls should be treated equally. तो ये सभी के घर में ऐसा होता होगा कि गर्ल्स को बहुत देर तक खेलने का अलाउ नहीं होता है. डू यू थिंक दैट देयर शुड बी डिफरेंट रूल्स फॉर गर्ल्स एंड बॉयज, वुमन एंड मैन? फ्रॉम माई पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, there should be equal rules for girls and boys and men and women. Okay, but because we should treat boys and girls and women and men equally, they are the part of our society. See, as men are equally important, in the same way women are also equally important in the society for the betterment of the nation, right? As men are playing in the role in the betterment of the India, in the same way women are also equally playing the role. So I think, for my point of view, rules should be same for both women and men. Okay, are you getting everyone? Yes or no? So think what would have happened if girls had to follow traditional rules made for boys and boys had to follow rules made for girls. जस्ट थिंक ओवर इट. अगर जो रूल्स बॉयज़ के लिए बने हैं वो गर्ल्स फॉलो करेंगी, और जो रूल्स गर्ल्स के लिए बने हैं वो बॉयज़ के लिए बॉयज़ फॉलो करेंगे, तो क्या होगा? थिंक. आई एम गिविंग यू फ्यू मिनट्स टू थिंक. યસ. સો જસ્ટ નાઉ થિંક દેટ ઇફ ગર્લ્સ માટેના જે રૂલ્સ બન્યા છે એ બોયઝ ફોલો કરશે, અને જે બોયઝ માટેના જે રૂલ્સ બન્યા છે એ ગર્લ્સ ફોલો કરશે, તો શું થશે? દેર વિલ બી ડિસ્ટર્બન્સ ઇન ધ સોસાયટી. Yes or no? There will be disturbance in society. There will be arguments. There will be quarrels among the people in the society. So instead of doing that, what should be done? Rules may be made for boys and girls and women and men equal. એટલે કે બધાના માટે રૂલ્સ ઇક્વલી બનવા જોઈએ, નહીં તો એક્સચેન્જ થઈ જાય રૂલ તો શું થશે? there will be disturbance, there will be quarrels, there will be arguments કે ગર્લ્સને આવું ના કરવું જોઈએ, બોયઝને આવું ના કરવું જોઈએ, તો શું થશે? ફાઇટ થશે. સો એના બદલામાં શું હોવું જોઈએ આપણે? વોટ શુડ બી ધેર? રૂલ્સ ફોર બોયઝ એન્ડ ગર્લ્સ ઓર વુમન એન્ડ મેન શુડ બી ઇક્વલ. દે હેલ્પ ઈચ અધર ઇક્વલી. ઓકે, એકબીજાને હેલ્પ કરવી જોઈએ. જ્યારે પણ જરૂર પડે, વેન એવર દેર ઇઝ નીડ, they should help each other in all the kinds of problems. So when they will help each other, they will work hand in hand. What will happen? There will be betterment of our society and our country, and then they will be realized that both are equal. Are you getting or not? So there should be no exchange of rules between boys and girls or women and men, but rules should be same for both men and women and boys and girls. Yes or no? Right? So next one is Meena Auntie's story that we are going to discuss in our next video. Till then, tata and have a nice time.